Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a room tour of room 300 at the Providence Marriott downtown in Providence, Rhode Island. All our stuff is out of this room right now because we're just about to check out. Look in the mirror. Hi. So you got two beds right here. Got an LG flat screen TV. I got a lamp, chair. Here's a view outside. View is not really that good, but you know, get a view of Sunoco, and you got a view of the highway over there. Chargers, and it's like the phone and like the charging station, TV remote. We'll get a closer look at the phone. It's the bathroom. You got your shower, toilet. Look in the mirror. Hi. Yeah, just like your sink. Not really that exciting. In here you got a closet. I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little down. I just woke up. I'm kind of tired right now. Well, hope you enjoyed this hotel tour. Peace.